Look in the mirror. The weak version of you is quietly destroying every dream you've ever had. Every excuse, every hesitation, every time you let fear win, it's not harmless. It's a thief. And honestly, it's doing it while binge-watching shows in sweatpants, like it has all the time in the world. That weak version, always polite, always accommodating, always playing it safe. It's been running your life without permission. And it doesn't care. Not for your happiness, not for your goals, not for your future. But hey, it's excellent at ghosting responsibilities, so at least it's consistent. You've been waiting for the right moment, for motivation to magically appear. Guess what? That moment will never come. Motivation is a lie that rewards the strong, not the nice. Every time you compromise, every time you settle for comfort over growth, you give that weak version more control. And soon, it's running the show, and probably snacking in your kitchen while doing it. Now hear this. You cannot negotiate with it. You cannot reason with it. You must kill it. Not literally, of course, but in action, in choice, in relentless refusal to let it dictate your life. Kill the excuses. Kill the fear. Kill the version of yourself that is satisfied with mediocrity. And if it complains, tell it, sorry, I don't speak procrastination. The weak you loves hesitation, loves delay, loves being stuck in a loop of someday. It disguises itself as caution, humility, patience, but it's a parasite, feeding off your dreams, your energy, your potential. And if you don't act now, it will not just hold you back, it will consume you. Bonus, it's terrible at doing taxes, so that's another reason to get rid of it. Imagine your life in 5 years if you do nothing. The same regrets, the same missed chances, the same person staring back from the mirror, only older, only more defeated. But at least you'll have stories about all the time you spent doing absolutely nothing. Oh, the anecdotes. Now imagine killing it, smashing that weak reflection like glass, shattering excuses, fears, self-doubt. Imagine stepping out of the shadow, facing the world with relentless determination. That's the reward, the power, the liberation. And yes, you might finally have time to get groceries without forgetting half the list. You won't feel ready. You'll never feel ready. That's the point. Weakness hides behind not ready. Strength doesn't wait. It acts. It grows. It conquers. Every decisive action chips away at the weak version. Every refusal to settle buries it deeper. One day it's gone, permanently. So start now. Whatever dream you've been letting slip away, attack it. With focus, courage, unapologetic ferocity. Kill the weak you before it kills your potential. Before it steals another chance, another moment, another part of your life. This is not a warning. This is your reality. The weak you is waiting to see if you'll act. The moment you do, everything changes. You don't just survive, you rise. You don't just exist, you dominate. And if the week you had a group chat, it's getting muted. The question is, will you finally kill it? Or will you let it keep destroying your life? Day by day, dream by dream, until there's nothing left to fight for?